Every day, millions of people enjoy colorful and delicious gummy candies. Those chewy sweets that have won over taste buds all around the world. But have you ever wondered how they are made? The gummy making process is an art that combines science and creativity. The selection of ingredients is fundamental to guarantee the quality of the final product. The main components include gelatin, sugar, glucose syrup, and a variety of flavors and colorings. Each of these ingredients must be carefully measured and mixed to create the perfect base. Join us as we discover the fascinating process of making gummy candies. From the selection of ingredients to the moment they reach your hands. It all begins with high-quality raw materials. Step 1. Preparation of the raw materials. The production of gummy candies begins with the selection of key ingredients. Gelatin, derived from the collagen extracted from animal tissues and bones, is essential. This ingredient provides the elastic, chewy texture characteristic of gummy candies and acts as a gelling agent, allowing the mixture to hold its shape once cooled. Sugar, or sucrose, provides the essential sweetness we expect from these sweets. In addition to enhancing the flavor, it also helps preserve the freshness of the gummy candies during storage. Along with the sugar, glucose syrup is used, which prevents the crystallization of sugar, maintains the softness of the gummy candies, and improves their texture. Water is another crucial component in the production of gummy candies, as it acts as a solvent, facilitating the homogeneous mixing of the ingredients. Moreover, the flavors and colorings, which can be natural, such as fruit extracts, or artificial, are responsible for the diverse flavors and vibrant colors of the gummy candies. At the factory, the process begins with the hydration of powdered gelatin. This ingredient is spread in cold water, allowing it to absorb the liquid for about 20 to 30 minutes. This step is essential to ensure that the gelatin dissolves properly in the subsequent mixture. While the gelatin hydrates, in a large tank, water is mixed with sugar and glucose syrup. This mixture is heated until the sugars dissolve completely, forming a sweet and homogeneous solution. The temperature of the mixture must be carefully controlled to avoid caramelizing the sugar, which could affect the taste and texture of the gummy candies. Once the sugars have completely dissolved, the hydrated gelatin is added to the mixture. This step requires controlled temperature to ensure the complete dissolution of the gelatin without degrading it, since too high a temperature could denature the gelatin proteins, affecting its gelling ability. Finally, the desired flavors and colorings are incorporated into the mixture. Constant stirring is crucial at this stage to ensure an even distribution of the flavors and colorings, avoiding the formation of lumps and air bubbles that could affect the final consistency and appearance of the gummy candies. This careful process of preparing the raw materials is the first step in ensuring that the resulting gummy candies are of the highest quality, with a chewy texture, a delicious taste, and vibrant colors that appeal to consumers. Step 2. Cooking. The resulting mixture is transferred to specialized cooking tanks that can withstand high temperatures and distribute heat evenly. Depending on the recipe, the cooking temperature ranges between 120 degrees Celsius and 150 degrees Celsius. This gradual heating is essential to maintain the integrity of the gelatin and preserve the quality of the flavors, preventing them from degrading. During cooking, part of the water evaporates, increasing the viscosity of the mixture. This is crucial for achieving the proper consistency for molding. If the mixture is too liquid, it will not hold its shape. If it is too thick, it will be difficult to handle. Once the desired texture is reached, the mixture is slightly cooled to prepare it for molding. This cooking process also helps eliminate any potential microorganisms present in the mixture, thus ensuring the safety of the final product. Furthermore, in this phase, the factory operators constantly monitor the temperature and viscosity of the mixture through sensors and automated controls. This ensures that any variation is corrected immediately, maintaining the consistency and quality of the product. The cooking systems are also designed to be energy efficient, reducing energy consumption and minimizing the environmental impact of gummy candy production. Step 3. Molding. Molding begins with trays filled with fine cornstarch, which acts as a natural release agent. Then, stamps with the desired shapes, bears, worms, fruits, etc., are used to create cavities in the starch. High-precision depositors pour the exact amount of liquid mixture into each cavity. The trays are left to rest at room temperature, allowing the gelatin to set and the gummy candies to acquire their final shape. This process can take several hours, depending on the size and composition of the gummy candies. The use of cornstarch not only facilitates the demolding, but also helps regulate the moisture of the gummy candies, contributing to their final texture. Molding is a critical phase in the production of gummy candies. The factory's engineers and technicians develop specific molds for each type of gummy, ensuring that each piece has the perfect shape and the right size. In addition, state-of-the-art technology is used in the depositors to ensure that the amount of mixture poured into each cavity is exact, avoiding waste and guaranteeing consistency in each batch. This level of precision is fundamental to maintaining the quality and appearance of the gummy candies. Step 4. Demolding and drying. The trays undergo a process of mechanical vibration that helps release the gummy candies without deforming them. Then, they are separated from the residual starch using soft brushes or compressed air. The recovered starch is sieved to remove impurities and reused in future production cycles. The gummy candies are transferred to drying tunnels, where hot air or controlled environments remove the residual moisture. This process ensures that the gummy candies have the desired texture and prevents them from sticking together during packaging. Proper drying is crucial to extend the shelf life of the gummy candies and ensures that they remain fresh during storage and transportation. During drying, operators continuously monitor the temperature and humidity inside the drying tunnels. This is done to ensure that the gummy candies dry evenly and that there are no areas with excess moisture that could affect the texture or cause the candies to stick together. Additionally, drying in controlled environments ensures that the gummy candies do not absorb unwanted odors or flavors from the surroundings, maintaining their original quality and freshness. Step 5. Coating. To give them shine and prevent them from sticking together, the gummy candies are sprayed or dipped in a thin layer of vegetable oil or carnauba wax. If a sugared or sour finish is desired, the gummy candies are placed in rotating drums where a mixture of sugar or acid is gradually added, ensuring even coverage. This step also improves the appearance and taste of the gummy candies. The coating not only enhances the product's aesthetics, but also adds a layer of protection against moisture and other environmental factors. In addition to vegetable oil or carnauba wax, other food-approved coating agents, such as certain types of edible waxes, may also be used. In the rotating drums, the gummy candies move gently to ensure that each piece receives an even coating. This step is essential to keep the gummy candies fresh and prevent them from sticking together during storage and transportation. The coating also helps extend the shelf life of the gummy candies, keeping them in perfect condition until they are consumed. Step 6. Inspection and packaging. Before reaching consumers, the gummy candies undergo rigorous quality controls. Each piece is inspected for defects in shape, color, or size. Hardness tests, elasticity evaluations, and sensory assessments are also performed to guarantee the best flavor and texture experience. The gummy candies that pass these tests are automatically weighed to ensure that each package contains the exact amount. They are then packaged in bags, boxes, or plastic containers, sealed properly to maintain their freshness and prevent contamination. The meticulous inspection and precise packaging are fundamental to maintaining consumer trust and complying with food safety regulations. Furthermore, the inspection process includes the use of advanced technology, such as high-resolution scanners and cameras, to detect any imperfections that might have been overlooked during manual review. Once inspected, the gummy candies are placed on automated packaging lines, where they are wrapped and hermetically sealed to preserve their freshness. The packaging also includes detailed information about the product, such as ingredients, expiration date, and storage recommendations, ensuring that consumers have all the necessary information. Step 7. Distribution and marketing. Once packaged, the gummy candies are ready for distribution. They are organized on pallets and stored in temperature and humidity-controlled warehouses to preserve their freshness. From there, they are transported to supermarkets, convenience stores, candy shops, and e-commerce platforms. The gummy candies reach consumers all around the world, ready to be enjoyed anytime and anywhere. Efficient logistics and proper inventory management are essential to ensure that the gummy candies arrive at their final destination in perfect condition, ready to delight both young and old. In addition, agreements and contracts are established with various distribution chains and retail outlets to guarantee broad and efficient market coverage. Tracking and traceability systems are used to monitor each batch of gummy candies from the factory to the point of sale, ensuring that any problem can be quickly identified and resolved. This tracking also helps comply with food safety regulations and ensures that consumers receive fresh, high-quality products. Finally, the marketing department works on campaigns and promotions to capture consumers' attention and foster brand loyalty, highlighting the unique features and superior quality of the gummy candies. And that's how gummy candies are made, from the selection of the finest raw materials to the moment they reach your hands, ready to be enjoyed. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the process of making these delicious sweets. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Let us know in the comments what you thought of the gummy candy production process. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, we'd love to hear your opinion.